Hey guys, welcome back to Even the Waves. So I was editing the video for the bench seats and I realized that I had some extra video footage that I wanted to share with you guys. I wanted to tell you guys that I did actually end up doing 2 insulated wheel wells, and then I also added a tray on top. And that tray is kind of what I wanted to show you guys, and it enables me to have a couple extra little storage spaces, and it might help you guys out. So check out the footage that I'm looking at right now, and we'll see you afterwards. All right, so we basically built it to give us more support, but on the inside we now have a tray that we can put, hammers or tools or things like that. I'll probably put a little bit of a mat down so that things won't rattle around too much. But just another cool way to maximize storage in the van. Okay, I hope that helped you guys out. Again, remember that I did end up doing 2 wheel well boxes that were both insulated. I did trays on the tops of each of them, and that's mainly so that I can support the bench tops. Now stay tuned, because I was editing the bench seat video, and that's where this footage came from. So I would love it if you guys tuned into that video next, but I just wanted to give you a little update on the wheel wells. Go ahead and like, comment, subscribe. And remember guys, create what you love. I'll see you on the next one.